Welcome! Today, I'm thrilled to share with you some invaluable insights on how to navigate the breathtaking landscapes, vibrant culture, and delectable cuisine of Vietnam without breaking the bank. Whether you're a seasoned backpacker or embarking on your first journey, these tips for backpacking through Vietnam on a budget will ensure an unforgettable experience without draining your savings. Firstly, let's talk about accommodation. Vietnam offers a plethora of budget-friendly options ranging from hostels and guesthouses to homestays and even camping sites in certain areas. These accommodations not only provide a comfortable place to rest your weary head but also offer a fantastic opportunity to connect with fellow travelers and locals, enriching your journey with shared experiences and stories. Now, onto transportation, a crucial aspect of any backpacking adventure. Fear not, for Vietnam boasts an extensive network of affordable transportation options. From the iconic motorbike rentals that offer unparalleled freedom to budget-friendly sleeper buses and trains traversing the length and breadth of the country, getting around Vietnam has never been easier or more economical. Of course, no visit to Vietnam would be complete without indulging in its world-renowned street food scene. From steaming bowls of pho and crispy banh mi sandwiches to savory rice paper rolls and aromatic bowls of bun cha, the options are endless and budget-friendly. Embark on a culinary adventure through bustling street markets and humble food stalls, where every bite is a symphony of flavors that won't break the bank. But let's not forget the hidden gems and free activities that abound in Vietnam. Whether it's trekking through lush rice terraces in Sapa, exploring ancient temples in Hoi An, or lounging on pristine beaches in Phu Quoc, Vietnam offers a myriad of unforgettable experiences that won't cost you a dime. Now, onto the practicalities of backpacking. Packing efficiently is key. Opt for lightweight, versatile clothing and don't forget essentials like sunscreen, insect repellent, and a reusable water bottle to stay hydrated on the go. Remember, less is often more when it comes to packing for a backpacking trip, so choose wisely and leave room for souvenirs. Speaking of souvenirs, Vietnam is a treasure trove of unique and affordable keepsakes. Skip the tourist traps and opt for authentic handicrafts sourced directly from local artisans in markets and villages across the country. Not only will you snag one-of-a-kind mementos, but you'll also support the local economy in the process. And finally, let's talk about budgeting for popular tourist attractions. While Vietnam's iconic landmarks and attractions may come with a price tag, there are plenty of ways to save money without missing out on the experience. Consider visiting during off-peak seasons, purchasing combo tickets for multiple attractions, or exploring lesser-known alternatives to popular tourist spots. In conclusion, backpacking through Vietnam on a budget is not only achievable but also immensely rewarding. With a little planning, resourcefulness, and an adventurous spirit, you can immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of Vietnamese culture, cuisine, and natural beauty without breaking the bank. So, pack your bags, embrace the unknown, and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime. Thank you.